What is up, guys? It is Aesthetic from the PD team. Today we're going to be going over the multi-Captcha harvester window feature in PD that was introduced in 2.5. In this video, I will just be showing you guys how to configure it and how to open up all your different Captcha windows. As you guys can tell, there are a couple new things that were added to the Captcha harvester window. There's a proxy tab where you can enter in your proxies, user pass proxies or IP configured proxies. At the moment, user pass proxies are not working with the Captcha harvester window, but that will be fixed shortly. There's also the save button, which saves all your settings, the reload button, which just reloads the Captcha harvester window. There's a login and logout button for Google. So once I click login, the Google sign-in page will pop up and you will be able to sign in. When you click on this tab right here, drop-down menu will open up with all the different sites that Captcha is needed for. That is it for the updates on the Captcha harvester window. To open up all the Captcha harvesters, you can just click on this button right here and the harvester windows will pop up. The max amount is 5, so keep that in mind. And that is pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for more.